Yeah, rescued a little Sears from the scrapyard yesterday. I just saved it just by probably a minute. I just happened to be coming home. I'm driving down the road and I slowly start passing this pickup truck with a utility trailer full of scrap. And I spot this thing in the mix of it. And as I drive by, I'm looking like, it's not really in that bad a shape. And we was only like a mile from the scrapyard. And he pulled right up on the scales, and I pulled up beside him. Gave him $20 for it. It is worth $20. The motor's not locked up. It's got good rims and tires on it. The only one that doesn't hold air is the left one, left rear. If I'd have come through there just a minute earlier, I would have never saw him. Saved one from the scrap heap. I'm sure all the Sears guys will be proud of me. This is my first little Sears. Seems to be pretty complete. I guess that's a Tecumseh engine. 1977. It's got a plastic gas tank. It looks like a stock gas tank. I don't know. You guys can tell me. The throttle cable's not stuck. The choke cable is. Gear shifter goes back and forth. The high and low is stuck. Unless there's a special way to lift this thing up. That doesn't want to move. Not a bad little Sears. It's just going to be parked. I ain't going to be working on this thing anytime soon. I might get it started, see if it'll run. But I figured it was worth $20 instead of going to the scrapyard. If anything, maybe there's some parts on it somebody needs. If anybody needs anything off of it, just let me know. Figure out a way to get it shipped. Alright, tell me what you guys think.